Hello, everybody. Guess what? Benjamin needed to wee, as always. So, hello, everybody. It already passed a year since our first concert. And guess what? Today is not a special day. Where's the thing?
What thing?
The thing. Your asshole will fall off. Jeez.
What?
No, because it's one of the videos you have here. Sarah Millican and says, your asshole will fall off. Kind of. Hey.
How many people watching? One person? Oh, okay.
Today we have a special guest. No, it's not him.
Not me, don't worry. The sister.
It's a Colombian maraca. Maraca.
Malaka.
Malaca is a
A Greek,
Greek.
swear word, right?
Stop it. No.
Stop what? Joao can't do bossa nova anymore. We broke him.
This is too light for the thing.
Is the internet really bad? Should we stop?
Why?
Let's stop.
Now I present to you
What chord is that?
C9. Okay. Bye bye.
Are you joining me?
Do I have to?
The mountain one.
Oh, Benjamin Jacob Larham is live.
Okay, that's nice to know. My internet is very slow.
Oh, Lynn is watching today.
Lynn is watching. Hi, Lynn.
Hey,
Oh
Lynn.
my god. Why? Is it just me that has really slow internet?
Maybe it's your problem. Stop projecting.
I'm glad you answered yourself with that. Guys, let us know in the comments, which I can't read. Let us know in the comments if you can hear us and you can live us. And Joao is having fun with the speakers behind the camera. Wow, I really can't. Oh man.
It's a bit too noisy.
I really can't. It's not loading YouTube or anything.
I can't either.
On yours?
Sometimes, some days I just really can't.
Jesus Christ.
No, it's okay in my thing.
Okay, well then let's start. Did Lynn say anything? I
said-
regret giving him this.
Happy first anniversary.
Oh,
Give me
thank you,
this.
Lynn. Obrigado. Wait, why am... Thank you.
Why do I have to be here?
Anyway, that might be later in the concert. Oh my god, that thing is so loud. It's really loud for
really
such
loud.
a small thing. Jesus.
Hola, yo soy Maracas de la Colombia. Yeah. That's a joke we did before.
Top C. Oh, I can't see any of the comments. Guys, you're going to have to write even more comments so I can see them. That's how the internet works. We're getting very
Just
close
so you know,
together.
this is all Marco's fault because he's the one who gave me this. That's appropriate.
Ay, 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 ay. Canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran, cielito lindo, los corazones.
Yo soy Maracas de Colombia.
Oh, I am really... Why is this not working? Não entendo porque isso não funciona. Was that close?
Funciona
Funciona. I never know when you have to do the y and not.
when it's there.
Unhelpful.
What?
What? That doesn't help
If you
me.
have I something, then you should say the I.
Ah, I see. That makes sense.
Chelito lindo. What are you doing? You're rebooting?
Sorry, guys, I'm rebooting. Make sure there are lots of comments on there so I can read them when I finish. Oh, I mean when it reloads.
I think my computer's
Carla Basilio. Okay, shoot. Lynn, thank you very much. Then we'll start with one or two songs. You can join for the... Do you need me to teach you the chorus of it?
What?
The mountain.
lindo.
Cielito lindo.
What?
The...
Yeah, it's better. It's not now, is it? First one?
Oh, no, let's do the Liverpool one. That's fun. Joao's very excited about that, as you can
not.
tell.
Leave my maracas. Rude. Happy birthday.
Nah, dude, that's... Okay, let's try once again. Oh, well, we've already been 10 minutes, but we need the lyrics, right? O prodígio do Liverpool.
The what?
The leaving.
O partido. That's like the party.
Yeah, exactly. Like the... A partido?
É partido.
Okay, is there anything you'd like to say to the folks at home? Thank you, everybody, for watching. Sorry that this is taking so long. The internet's
Donate.
being very... Jesus.
What?
I forgot how angry you used to get at people.
Why?
When they didn't donate, Joao would, like, intimidate the people. Hands up in the chat if you remember Joao intimidating you for money. It's funny,
can do it again.
we're allowed to do that on the internet, but not on the street.
Ben. Why do you have a wrench in front of my name?
Because you're a mechanic.
Ah.
Sorry, I modulated so enough I didn't know where we were going to. Fare thee well to Prince's landing stage.
Too modern.
Huh?
That was a bit too modern.
Fare thee well to Prince's Landing stage, River Mersey, fare thee well. I am bound for California, a place I know right well. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. Oh my God, okay, sorry, we're gonna have to do this.
Stop it! No!
Give
Leave
me
me
your
alone!
Come on, there we go, very good.
What the hell is
My
this?
darling, when I think.
No.
Nice low notes. Oh. I have sailed with Burgess once before. I think I know him well. If a man's a sailor, he will get along. If not, then he's sure in hell. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. Fare thee well to Lower Frederick Street, and St. Terrace and Sefton Park. I am bound away for to leave you, and I'll never see you again.
I know that song.
So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. I am bound for California by way of stormy Cape Horn, and I will write a letter to thee, love, when I am homeward bound. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. I have shipped on a Yankee clipper ship, Davy Crockett is her name, and Burgess is the captain of her, and they say that she's afloat in hell. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. So fare thee well, my own true love, and when I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. But my darling, when I think of thee. also do it solo, but yeah. You have to say yes or no so I know whether to modulate.
Yes. Caro mio ben, credimi almen, senza di te languisce il cor. Caro mio ben, senza di te languisce il cor. I should have said no.
Il tuo fedel sospira ognor cessa crudel tanto rigo. I don't normally do it in this key. Cessa crudel tanto rigo, tanto rigo. Caro mio ben, credimi almen, senza di te languisce il cor. Caro mio ben, senza di te languisce il cor. Il tuo fedel sospiro ognor cessa crudel tanto rigor. Cessa tanto rigor, tanto rigor. Caro mio ben, credimi almen, senza di te languisce il cor.
like a song. Your sweet eyes whisper, and I want to sing along. Your features are in tune. Let's sing together and turn every month to June. Your face arms makes me a happy fella. No more singing a cappella. No longer lonely. Loving you only.
Your lips with mine will rise, and when they touch me, it's a symphony divine. Your cheeks, your ears, your hair weave me a melody of melodies so rare. Your face arms makes me a happy fella. No more singing a cappella. No longer lonely. Loving you only. Your face is like a song. Your sweet eyes whisper, and I want to sing along. Your features are in tune. Let's sing together and turn every month to June. Your face arms makes me a happy fella. No more singing a cappella. No longer lonely.
Loving you only.
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 Yes. Do you remember the name of the song?
No. What is it?
Fall in Love Again.
No.
Oh, it doesn't sound high enough. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dreaming, I must be dreaming. Or am I really lying here with you? Baby, you take me in your arms. And though I'm wide awake, I know my dreams are coming true. And oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time. And there I go, I just fall in love again. And when I do, I can't help myself, I fall in love with you.
Magic, it must be magic. The way I hold you when the night just seems to fly. Easy for you to take me to a star. Heaven is there a moment when I look into your eyes, and just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time. There I go by. Just fall in love again. And when I do, I can't help myself, I fall in love with you.
Just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time. And there I go. Just fall in love again. And when I do,
I can't help myself, I fall in love with you.
anything else you can think of? Se dia alguém perguntar por mim, diz que vivi para te amar. Antes de ti só existi, cansado e sem nada para dar. Meu bem, ouve as minhas pressas, peço que regresses, que me voltes a querer. Eu sei que não se ama sozinho, talvez devagarinho possas voltar a aprender. Peço que regresses, que me voltes a querer. Eu sei que não se ama sozinho, talvez devagarinho possas voltar a aprender.
Where's that one?
Se o teu coração não quiser ser, não só ter paixão, não quiser sofrer. Se fazer planos de que virá depois, o meu coração pode amar pelos dois. Meu coração pode amar pelos dois. I don't want to say goodbye. Do you remember this?
Yeah, but
I don't want to.
I don't wanna.
Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where never is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. Do you need the lychee? I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is be with you. Just like the light of the morning after the darkness has gone, the shadow of my love is falling on a place where the sun always shone. Don't you know that's where our hearts both belong? And I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. Oh, I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. is hard, a discouraging one, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Together our two hearts are one. Don't you know that's where our hearts both belong? 'Cause I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. Not just sad chords.
I know this.
What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I have to finish an email now.
Okay.
Thank you, Joao. Everybody show Joao Junior some love in the comentarios. I know, straight man. He said he didn't like love. Are there any comments? Oh, Wits en Helene. Hoi schatjes. Oh, wat leuk. Hi everybody, thank you for watching. Let's see if I can load the comments now. I don't know. Oh, Lucinda donne. Oh, talking of
She's Italian, just so you know.
yeah, she is Italian. That's why we say that. Marco gets very happy when we say that.
Marco loves to meet fellow Italians.
Okay, guys, let us know in the comments how y'all feeling. Oh, so glad to be back. Hans, leuk dat je er bent. Hi, Anne, as well. Did you see Lucinda? Yes.
A very happy yes.
Okay, so I've got a very nice, well, I don't want to oversell it, but it's literally the beautiful thing. That was not English. I'm literally gonna start crying. So, I just need to load the text because I had to restart my computer. So, I thought we would have the first hour, this nice, romantic, nostalgic music to cry to.
From now on.
And from after this medley, then it will only be, no, don't, 'cause otherwise we'll lose a load of, like, my dad will just go, oh, okay, good night.
Okay, I will turn off one of my 9 devices.
It's true, Joao does have 9. Oh, yes, girl. Sorry, I am very looking forward to this. Okay. Guys, if any of you know the songs, make sure you sing along at home. Otherwise, sit and enjoy the seeping nostalgia. De la sierra par de ojitos negros, cielito lindo de contrabando. De la Sierra Morena, cielito lindo, vienen bajando un par de ojitos negros, cielito lindo de contrabando. Ay, 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 canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran, cielito lindo, los corazones. Ese lunar que tienes, cielito lindo, junto a la boca, no se lo des a nadie, cielito lindo que a mí me toca. Ese lunar que tienes, cielito lindo, junto a la boca, no se lo des a nadie, cielito lindo que a mí me toca. Ay, 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 canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran, cielito lindo, los corazones. Ay, 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 canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran, cielito lindo. Los corazones. I loaded the lyrics in the wrong language, sorry. Oh, that was such a good transition as well. Paese mio, chi stai sulla montagna, disteso come un vecchio addormentato. La noia, l'abbandono e il niente son la tua malattia, paese mio, ti lascio, io vado via. Che sarà, che sarà, che sarà, che sarà della mia vita, chi lo sa? So far tutto, forse niente, da domani si vedrà, e sarà sarà quel che sarà. Gli amici miei son quasi tutti via, e gli altri partiranno dopo me. Peccato perché stavo bene in loro compagnia, ma tutto passa, tutto se ne va. Che sarà, che sarà, che sarà, che sarà della mia vita, chi lo sa. Con me porto la chitarra e se la notte piangerò una degna di paese suonerò. Amore mio, ti bacio sulla bocca, che fu la fonte del mio primo amore. Ti do l'appuntamento come quando non lo so, ma so soltanto che ritornerò. Che sarà, che sarà, che sarà, che sarà della mia vita, chi lo sa. So far tutto, forse niente, da domani si vedrà. E sarà quel che sarà. No one knows me like the piano in my mother's home. You would show me I had something some people call a soul. You dropped out of the sky when I was 3 years old. No one knows me like the piano in my mother's home. You know I flew the nest, and you know I won't be long. And in my chest, you know me best. You know I'll be back home. angel by her side all of the time. I knew we couldn't call. They said that it's a time, no tears inside. I kept the feelings close. You took hold of me and never, 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 never let me go. 'Cause no one knows me like the piano in my mother's soul. Joao, could you help turn some pages? Thank you.
Sorry for this. Wie Melodien zieht es mir leite durch den Sinn, wie Frühlingsblumen blüht es und schwebt wie Duft dahin. Und schwebt wie Duft dahin. Doch kommt das Wort und fasst es und führt es vor das Aug, wie Nebelgrau erblasst es und schwindet wie ein Hauch. Und schwindet wie ein Hauch. Und dennoch ruht im Reimer verborgen wohl ein Duft, denn mehlt aus stillem Keime ein feuchtes Auge ruft. Denn mehlt aus stillem Keime ein feuchtes Auge.
gracias a la vida que me ha dado tanto. Me dio dos luceros que cuando los abro perfecto distingo lo negro del blanco y en alto cielo su fondo estrellado y en las multitudes el hombre que yo amo. Gracias a la vida que me ha dado tanto, me ha dado el oído que en todo su ancho graba noche y día, grillos y canarios, martillos, turbinas, ladridos, chubascos y la voz tan tierna de mi bien amado. Gracias a la vida que me ha dado tanto, me ha dado el sonido y el abecedario con él las palabras que pienso y declaro, madre, amigo, hermano y luz alumbrando y la ruta del alma de que estoy amando. Gracias a la vida que me ha dado tanto, me ha dado la marcha y mis pies cansados, con ellos anduve ciudades y charcos, playas y desiertos, montañas y llanos, y la casa tuya, tu calle y tu patio. Gracias a la vida que me ha dado tanto, me dio el corazón que agita su marco cuando mira el fruto del cerebro humano, cuando miro el bueno tan lejos del malo, cuando mira el fondo de tus ojos claros. Gracias a la vida que me ha dado tanto, me ha dado la risa y me ha dado el llanto, así yo distingo dicha de quebranto, los dos materiales que forman mi canto y el canto de ustedes, que es el mismo canto. Gracias a la vida. Gracias a la vida. Me ha dado la risa y me ha dado el llanto, así yo distingo lo negro del blanco y en alto cielo su fondo estrellado. Y el canto de ustedes, que es mi propio canto. Crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever you're going, I'm going. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same rainbows and waiting around the bend. My huckleberry friend, Moon River and me. Moon River, wider than a mile. I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker. Wherever you're going my way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same rainbows and waiting round the bend. My huckleberry friend. Lots of comments. Lynn and Lucinda. Jalito Linda. Oh man, yeah. Do you know that? Hercules.
I'm not very good with these songs.
We have to change that.
I know
Oh, Lucinda Donne, grazie.
I really
Thank you, Lucinda.
work on that.
There are 16 people watching. There's only 7 likes. Now there's 8 because I just clicked like, so I also forgot. So everybody who's watching now, go click the like button underneath the video. Thank you, Carla. Obrigado.
Yeah,
I
you
don't know
have
why
to
I must
make
have
a-
Yeah. Push the like button in
Wait.
3.
Wait.
They're gonna
Give me
hear
time.
it. They're gonna hear it afterwards, bro.
No. I'm waiting.
Anyway, everybody click the like button.
Time.
In 3, I see that Hid is still watching because he just put it down like. It's very warm. Oh man, really warm.
Was it with?
Oh, probably Joao. Anyway, everybody watching who hasn't already click like in 3, 2, 1. Ba, 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 ba. I can tell from Joao's face that he also just put it down like,
No, but I'm not 2 people.
yeah, and words.
3 people now.
Anyway, everybody who has donated in the past, future, and present,
What?
thank you all very much for your continued support. And if you have any requestinhos, as Joao would say, then let us know. That is how Joao speaks. And if we can't do it this week, we'll try and do it on another week. And Joao, do you have any songs that you would like to sing?
Yes.
Which, yeah?
No, no.
Oh my gosh.
We have to sing Parabéns a você para minha mãe.
Is she watching? Está a ver o concerto?
Concerto.
Concerto?
Concerto.
That's how. Chalito lindo. Anyway. Okay, see if your mum's out, and I'll do a depressing one in the meantime. Last depressing one of the day.
Is it?
No. No, it should be, because I'm missing our happy shizzle. That's the official word. Also, by the way, how cute is this t-shirt? I don't know if you guys can see it. Menschliches Wesen. Farben können Ach weben. I don't know. Ach. So I don't speak German, but I know it's very cute.
Is that English?
It is, actually. It's a very funny English dialect that's spoken mainly, like, very much to the east of London. Yeah. Oh, Jean. Okay, everybody can join me in singing for Timmy. Yeah, the hair dude. So, happy birthday, Timmy.
Happy birthday, Timmy.
I went a few days ago, and this lion mane is going tomorrow. It's fantastic.
That's very
Timmy, can you not
inadequate.
cut this? Just make it just thin it out, because the length is... It's fantastic. Joao was biking to the Albertine the other day, and he came he arrived on his bike in the wind, and he didn't have a hat on, and he looked like he was in a shampoo commercial. It was like... and it was fantastic. And I saw him, and I was like, oh my God, this hair. And then I was like, oh, it's Joao. So please don't cut it. Okay.
Every time I shave, I'm like...
Everybody can join us singing Happy Birthday for Timmy.
Timmy!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Timmy. Happy birthday to you. Lang zou die leven, lang zou die leven, lang zou die leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria. Happy birthday, Timmy. Oh, we've still got 40 minutes. Guys, any requests, let us know, as always. Otherwise, I'm going to sing a very depressing Dutch song. Joao, don't worry. I'll give you the... Actually, I won't give you the maraca back, so I'm going to go deaf if you do it for more than like a minute at once. It's so
Okay, I'll do it 30 seconds every time.
Oh, if Lochinda's watching, we should do... remember that one? Being happy is selfish. Remember that we suffered. Okay, we'll do that one in a minute. First, sad. Then we'll get on to Crazy Ex-Girlfriend and, I don't know, Crazy Ex-Girlfriend, Bossa Nova or something.
Oh, yes. I'm up to that.
Yes. Oh, Bossa Nova. Being happy is selfish. Remember that we suffered. You have no idea what pain is. Remember that we suffered. Okay, first one sad song. Ha! Okay, one first sad song, and then we're going to go into Timmy's request. Okay, because you're going to love this. Joao, can you join me after this one for Timmy's request, and you'll find out what it is? But Timmy legit will do it. Maak de wind je lieve lippen schraal. Vraagt de wereld jou om klare taal. Ik trakteer je op een warm onthaal. Zo voel je wat ik voel. Joel's crying from laughter and behind the camera. It's very hard to focus. En in de schaduw van de duisternis, wanneer er niemand in de buurt meer is, smeet ik onze zielsverbintenis. Eens voel je wat ik voel. Ik weet dat jij nog aan het twijfelen bent. Ik heb het beste met je voor. Ik weet het sinds de dag dat jij me kent. Ik twijfel niet of jij wel bij me hoort. Ik verdraag ellende, honger, kou. Ik kruip op mijn knieën nog een weg naar jou. Niks weerhoudt me, want ik hou van jou. Eens voel je wat ik voel. Er is een wilde, woeste storm op komst. Die laat geen ruimte meer voor spijt. Al het gejammer is een keer verstomd. Gun me gewoon nog even tijd. Ik breng je geluk, ik maak je dromen waar. Reis van de Noordpool tot Evenaar. Ik verover je met hart en haar. Zo voel je wat ik voel. Eens voel je wat ik voel.
Vader was kicked out.
No. Oh, there's the building we live in have a group and there's drama. Oh no.
Vader, we're with you.
What? Oh, Svader. Oh, that's very sad. Anyway. Joni Mitchell. Okay, we'll do 2 funny songs. One.
Oh, that's a very good, nice choice, Timmy.
Yeah. That was very easy. Not after 11, huh?
My mom's already watching.
Yeah, well, we still
Not
have...
11 yet. I know.
Okay, one other sad song.
You said it would be the last one.
No, but Timmy asked for a sad one, so now, of course, we have to do a sad one. Ok. Obrigadinho. Você pode regressar depois dessa canção. Don't... First you spank the piano and now you're like belting it?
Whoa.
What? You're the one doing it, bro. What's whoa about me naming it? This is the first time I've sung this one in English, so happy birthday to me. Rose and flows of angel hair and ice cream castles in the air and feather canyons everywhere. I looked at clouds upway, but now they only block the sun. They rain and snow on everyone. So many things I could have done, but clouds got in my way. I've looked at clouds from both sides now, from up and down, and still somehow it's clouds' illusions I recall. I really don't know clouds at all. Moons and Junes and Ferris wheels, the dizzy dancing way you feel as every fairy tale comes real. I've looked at life that way, but now it's just another show. You leave them laughing when you go, and if you care, don't let them know. Don't give yourself away. I've looked at love from both sides now, from give and take, and still somehow it's love's illusions I recall. I really don't know love. Tears and fears and feeling proud to say I love you right out loud. Dreams and schemes and circus crowds, I've looked at life that way, but now old friends are acting strange, shake their heads and say I'm strange. Well, something's lost, but something's gained in living every day. I've looked at love from both sides now, from win and lose, and still somehow it's life's illusions I recall. I really don't know life at all. I really Ha! You want to do the first? Do you know how it switches? Okay, I'll just point.
Okay.
Hiya, Barbie.
I can.
You want to go for a ride?
Sure can.
Jump in.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair and dress me everywhere. Whoa, imagination. Life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie,
let's go
I'm a Barbie girl in a fantasy world. Dress me up, make me tight. I'm your dolly. Oh my God, you're my doll. Rock and roll, feel the glamour in pink. Kiss me here, touch me there, hanky panky. This is such an awful song. You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair and dress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. 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 Yeah? Okay. No. I'm gonna go. I'm
give me
gonna
that.
go deaf. I'm gonna go quickly. We're losing views. No.
No, we're not. I'll do it.
I'll do it. I'm a blonde Barbie girl and a fan. Are we doing bossa nova?
Give me the maraca.
Make me walk, make me talk, do whatever you please. I can act. Na 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 na. Wah. Ah, I feel like a bad gay not knowing this like perfectly.
I mean, it's
Yeah. Yeah. Make me walk, make me talk, do whatever
you
you
want
please.
bossa nova or
I
what?
can act, not after that. But I can beg on my knees. Come junk him, let me friend. Let us do it again. Hit you down, fool around, let's go party. You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours, you can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours, come on, Bobby, let's go party. 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 I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair and dress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, fucking seagull. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. I'm a blonde bimbo girl in a fantasy world. You're my doll, I can roll. You're the glamour and pink. Kiss me here, touch me there, hanky panky. This is so high. Woo! This is a problem singing with a bass. You can touch, you can play. If you say I'm always yours. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Imagination, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair and dress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. 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 I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Imagination, life is your creation. You can brush my hair and dress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah. Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Rammstein did a version of this. It's so much better than this one. gonna be a long night.
Isilva. Well, whatever. Oh no, I feel so sad. Je suis Svader. Guys, hello. Oh, the water is wide. I have friends. I definitely have friends.
Definitely have friends.
Friends. I've got friends.
Oh, we have to sing happy birthday to my mom.
Is she there?
Yeah. Giza. What?
I know, I'm a bad friend. Oh wait, hold on.
Stop beating in the wrong place.
That's never how you did it in the concerts before.
It is.
No. No, it doesn't work.
Yeah, not for this one.
Guys, remember. Oh, sorry, not after 11 o'clock. Guys, remember.
You're playing a dangerous game, you know.
Yeah, I know. That was so loud. Anyway, guys, remember we have a Bemush donate button. That was like weird Portuguese Italian. We have a donate button underneath. Make
That's-
sure.
None. Habemos. It's Latin.
We have a donate button underneath. So remember to give us all of your puli that you earned this month, or if not, before COVID hit. And thank you in advance.
You can also donate after next week when you get your salary,
Yeah, true.
if that's the problem.
What are we doing? After what?
Happy
Qual
birthday.
canção vamos cantar?
Oh,
Did you ask her?
no, she said it was something. So I don't know. What did she like?
This one?
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah. That's a style I really want to learn how to play on the piano. Such a cool rhythm. But it's so hard to play and sing at the same time. This is why I just do this the whole time.
Was that a modulation?
All of this is modulation.
That's the joke. Ad nauseam.
Everybody can join in singing. Oh no, we have to do it in Portuguese, right? I need more waiting music. I've already done that twice. I need other waiting music I can quote.
Elevator
Sorry.
thing.
How-
I don't remember.
Please go ahead.
anymore. No, the one we do with the.
All I can think of is. What are we?
Yeah,
Sorry,
that's-
rest in peace, headphone users.
That's how bad it gets. Parabéns.
Anyway,
a
we are gonna sing
você.
Parabéns a você. for João Juniors.
Molotov. What? How is this related? Oh my god.
For João's.
Mom. Parabéns, mãe. Guida.
You want to say it into the mic?
Parabéns, mãe Guida.
And now ASMR.
Parabéns, mãe Guida. Parabéns.
I'm so sorry that you had to witness that.
Can I what?
I was apologizing to them that they had to see you doing that.
Of all the things I've done already in this concert.
Very good point.
Is this something I should?
Charge João's Bossa Nova batteries. Okay, we will do that in a minute. Anyway, first off, happy birthday in Portuguese and Hollandish.
Parabéns a você nesta data querida. Muitas felicidades, muitos anos de vida. Why am I reading?
Hoje é dia de festa, canta
Nossas almas com a menina Guida. Uma salva de palmas.
Lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria. Lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria. Lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria.
It's like a turkey.
Parabéns.
Parabéns.
That's not how I talk.
I don't talk like that. Eu não falo assim, eu falo brasileiro, é normal, meu acento. Que não se diz acento, é sotaque. What was very unexpected? Oh, the Barbie girl, probably.
Ah, sou uma menina de Barbie, é um mundo de Barbie. La vida plástico é fantástico. Você pode tocar o meu cabelo.
Não, pode escovar o meu cabelo.
Ah, isso. I'm not saying that.
Despir-me em todo lado.
I was gonna say I'm not saying that when your parents are watching. What were we doing? What's the name of that? Ah, passagueiro.
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 Olá, eu sou o João.
Eu falo assim. What's it saved as, João? What did you say it to me as? Passagueiro na ilha.
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 Oh my god.
Você é uma ilha.
Oh, rude.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh.
Okay, my Microsoft Word isn't opening. The water is wide. Oh, I was going to say let's annoy my mom and do a Bossa Nova version, but I don't
You
think
sure
she would
about
be
that?
happy.
Yeah.
No, sorry. Yeah, this is the first Bossa Nova for today. I'm very sad.
It's your fault, you're the one who said.
Girl, can you rustig aan?
Chinda.
Lucinda, you are such a sweetie. But for real, it's very sweet. Thank you very much. Why is my Microsoft Word?
Microsoft Word. I can do a PDF of it, I think. Where do I have it? You know how I sent it? Hi, Joseph.
Oh, what is it?
Oh, you got it. I sent you a PDF anyway.
Okay, but now do it with it on the right beat. Literally, João. Com elas no chão. Bates com elas.
Roendo uma laranja na falésia, olhando o mundo azul à minha frente, ouvindo o roxinol na redondeza, no calmo improviso do poente. Baixo fogos trêmulos nas tendas, ao largo as águas brilham como pratas, e a brisa vai contando velhas lendas de portos e baías de piratas. Havia um pessegueiro na ilha, plantado por um vizir de Odmira. Dizem por amor se matou aqui no lugar de Porto Covo. A lua já desceu sobre esta paz e reina sobre todo este luzeiro. À volta toda a vida se compraz, enquanto o braço arde no braseiro. Ao longe a cidadela de um navio acende-se no mar como um desejo. Por trás de mim o bafo do estio devolve-me a lembrança do Alentejo. Havia um pessegueiro na ilha, plantado por um vizir de Odmira, que dizem por amor se matou novo aqui no lugar de Porto Covo. Roendo uma laranja na falésia, olhando à minha frente o azul escuro, escuro. Podia ser um peixe na maré. That's the fish in the sea.
Bubbles up. Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Nadando sem passado nem futuro.
I feel sick.
Havia um pessegueiro na ilha, plantado por um vizir de Odmira, que dizem por amor se matou novo aqui no lugar de Porto Covo. Bates colhão, com elas no chão. Bates colhão, com elas no chão. Havia um pessegueiro na ilha, plantado por um vizir de Odmira, que diz por amor se matou novo
was a wizard. Okay. Okay, we should probably do some happy things. Guys, we have had some very beautiful suggestions.
This was a good one.
Which one?
It's happy.
Yeah, but we should also do some other happy songs.
Oh, yeah, I'm not really happy.
I downloaded a few ones the other day to do with Hida. Oh, did I download them here? I don't know why I'm looking at you like you.
Yes, you did.
Can you think of any other happy songs? Guys, happy songs. Canções felizes. Dude, I really need to... Anyway.
Clap your hands.
So weird.
Is it?
You want to sight read some Jacob Collier? Oh no, it's really sad. No, it's really sad. It's like legit sad.
Can you just say sad again?
Avião passageiro na ilha. Oh, I can smell your dinner.
You're going to say something worse than that. So I'm happy with the result.
Okay, fair. Very good. João, what happy songs can we cantamos?
Oh, and it's Father's Day in Portugal. And basically...
Hoje é dia de pai, nesta terra querida, para o pai mais fantástico, uma salva de palmas. I should believe that.
Feliz Dia do Pai, pai. Pai, pai.
Oh, no, we can't do Herculano.
Lucinda running to the commentaries.
Yeah, he said, do it. Okay,
No, that one, no!
Yo.
Hercules!
Bless my soul. Hercules on a roll. Dude, that would be very cool. Gross F. I was up at a top F. Bless my soul. Hercules on a roll. Looking at the wicked, every drink I'm being bold. What a thrill. What a thrill.
Whatever then.
Bless my soul. Hercules on a roll. Bless. Oh no, hold on. Hold on, I can do it. I've got the B flat. That's not too far off of Queen of the Night. Oh, come to me, Beyonce. Bless my soul! No, it's far. Bless my soul! For some reason, I can get the B, but not the B flat. Okay, hold on. Let's see if I've got the top C. Guys, sorry. We'll do normal music after this. Sorry. Bless my soul!
Oh my god. Oh, we could do Encosta TV.
Lucinda wants Beyonce.
Yeah, but can we also do... Carla Basilio is asking for Palma.
Which one's that?
Encosta TV or Fragile.
Encosta to me. Let's do that. Sorry, that was a very weird noise. That was supposed to be a laugh. What Beyonce songs do we do? Ah, yes. You want to join?
No.
For real? Oh, you're such a straight man.
No, that's
Oh, the
Yeah,
worst.
from
After
all the-
everything we've
of
done
all the
today.
shit I've done here, this will be a problem.
The what?
now.
You mean the
The
beautiful
things,
music?
The things.
Mm-hmm.
The things that. That's what I said. The
No, you
things.
said after all the shit I've
I
done.
know. Ah, come on.
No? What other Beyonce songs are there? Ma, ma, ma. Lucinda Donne. Do you have a favorite
What's
one?
the single lady?
Ah, that's what she meant. She meant like, cause that the one that keeps going higher. You put my love on top of Papa-doo. You put my love on top of
Sorry, Lucinda, does that mean you don't want Beyonce anymore?
Honey, honey, I can see the sky on the way down here. Oh, the woman on the window pane. Boy, your lips look like a night of champagne. As I kiss you again and again and again and again. Every time I need a I don't know that song. I don't know. It's you put my love on top. No, baby, it's you. Oh man, top A's feel so low now. Like, just a top A.
What is it?
Tenors. 'Cause baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. Baby, baby, see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that turn me on. You're the one I always call. And I need you, think everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top. Baby, you're the one that I know. You're the one I know. Oh, Stevie Wonder.
Stevie Wonder.
What should we do? Lucinda, you have so many good requests. Good request. I love her. I'm really quite high after singing that high.
Oh my god, now I'm so high I can't speak any lower than this. Oh my god.
That's literally how I talk. Yeah. It's like British people when they... Oh, we've got enough time to mess around after we've done one last song. What's Stevie Wonder songs?
I'm checking because I heard a very good one. My Spotify. Oh, okay.
Oh, we could do that.
Paradise. Gangsta's Paradise.
Do you know this?
Maybe not good enough to sing.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Less than 1 minute old. I never thought through love we'd be making one as lovely as she, but all very lovely, made from love. What key am I in? Made from E flat. Isn't she lovely? Truly the angel's best. Boy, I'm so happy. We have been heaven blessed. Oh shit. I can't believe what God has done. Through us he's given birth to one. But isn't she lovely? Made from love.
That I can do. Isn't she lovely? Life and love are the same. Life is Aisha, the meaning of her name. Blondie, it could not have been done without you who conceived the one so very lovely, made from love.
Locinda, I promise you I will learn it for you. Oh, really weird.
Woo!
Earth, Wind and Fire.
Man.
Girl.
Woo!
Next week.
September?
Or oh yeah.
Yeah,
Also
mate.
really- Yeah. Yeah, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, brosef. Hey, brosef.
But are we doing Bossa Nova?
Hey, brosef. That's too easy. It's the same thing.
Okay, like really sad and depressing. Do you remember the 21st night of September? Lovers changing the mind of pretenders while chasing the clouds away. Our hearts were ringing in the key that our souls were singing as we danced in the night. Remember how the stars stole the night away. Hey, 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 oh, say that you remember. Hey, oh, dancing in September. Hey, oh, never was a cloudy day. My thoughts are with you, hand in hand with my heart. I see you. Only blue talking love. Remember how we knew love was here to stay. Oh, wow, now December found the love that we shared in September. Only blue talking love. Remember true love we shared today. Well, hey, oh, say that you remember. Oh, dancing in September. Oh, never was a cloudy day. And hey, oh, say that you remember. Oh, dancing in September. Oh, never was a cloudy day. Whoa, 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 hey, oh, say that you remember, oh, dancing in September, oh, never was a cloudy day. Do you remember the 21st night of September? Love was changing the minds of pretenders. Whoa, 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 whoa. Say that you remember. Whoa. Say that you remember. Whoa. It never was a cloudy day. Oh, whoa, whoa. Say that you remember. Whoa. Dancing in September. Whoa. Never was a cloudy day. And we said, wait. We have to stop playing, otherwise they'll get cross with us.
Again.
This is a sad enough interval to finish on, right?
Yeah.
We have to finish happy. Once again, same thing. Bitonality. The cause of and answer to all of life's problems. If anyone can tell us where that,
and the answer. Okay.
if anyone can tell us where that quote's from, you will get I don't know, a free something.
A free.
Handshake.
No, you
After
get
COVID. A firm handshake on your 18th birthday. That'll be the last human contact you'll have. To one night of consummation in your marriage, the proper British way.
You Brits are weird.
I'm not British anymore.
I mean, you were born there. So.
That was really fun, that last one.
Mm-hmm. Should you just stay looking at them?
What is our emotion?
I mean, just play a straight guy, so basically no emotion.
So either angry or nothing.
Yeah,
Completely blanked your emotions or anger?
I like the blank.
Life's easier when you choose not to feel anything.
I mean, it's not a choice. It's part of my nature.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like I
As
can
a straight
choose
man, when you were born,
it. Yeah.
God's there like nothingness, nothingness, and just a little bit of anger. There we go.
Oh, you're missing also
Hunger.
hunger.
Oh my god. Joao makes that joke like 2 times a day, I swear.
At least, and it's one of the feelings I have.
Look at this face. I look very perplexed.
Yeah, not happy, I can say. A bit surprised as well.
Anyway, thank you everybody for joining. Make sure you click like and look, that's me. My haircut looks really cute. I'm just seeing myself live for the first time.
For the first time. Never happened
Maybe
before.
this time,
Oh, come on.
for the first time, maybe this time he'll stay.
We missed
Maybe
Lucinda's
this time,
request.
for the first time, love won't
we
up,
me
up.
Lucinda's
Wait,
request.
wait.
For
That's
those,
why, darling.
for those wondering,
it's
we're not drunk.
incredible. That
Well,
some
me,
one
come on, you can do
so unforgettable.
better. Try again. You see,
Thinks that
you're taking too
I
long.
am
You could, but
unforgettable
it's too late.
too. That's a nice song. We should do that one. I always say that. I'm gonna write it down. Anyway, people, thank you very much. Make sure you click like, subscribe, tell literally all your friends about it because it's kind of cool.
Oh,
And
I know what.
Give us
song
all
I
your
want.
pulley.
I know which song I want,
Press F. Which one?
but no, it has to be
Well, yeah,
for
but-
next week.
A próxima semana.
Para volgende week. Para volgende week.
Yeah.
That's basically what it sounded like. No.
Guys, let us know which song when she's gone.
And that was another version.
When
Oh,
he's away.
it's a very good one. And also,
when he's gone.
Lovely Day by the same guys.
I don't know that.
A lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day. When the sun
If I were a boy, we need Andrea, right? Mendes. When remember when he was playing concert and we were doing all these like Cher
Yeah.
and Beyonce. Oh,
we can also try with the new Tuga. Maybe he would like
the
that.
new Tuga.
The new Tuga.
Who is the new Tuga? Yeah, Broseph. He's joining your groups.
I'm just
The
saying maybe
Tugas.
we could try him.
He's a
Yes.
Tuga. Is he singing with you guys?
No. Do you know what Tuga means?
Turtle. Tortuga.
Tuga.
Ay,
like,
amor, me duele tanto. Es una tortuga perderte. You know,
Exactly, that's exactly the
used to
thing.
think that's what it meant. Hida is the cutest. Hida, if you're still watching this, there's a very famous Shakira song called Torture. Like, ay, amor, me duele tanto. And at the end it's like, fue una tortura perderte. And Hida always used to sing, fue una tortuga perderte. Oh, I miss Woods. Dude, what did I just say? Unforgettable.
Unforgettable.
What's unforgettable in Dutch? Onvergeetbaar. Onvergeetbaar. 'Tis wat jij bent.
Ain't no sunshine. Ain't no sunshine when she
Er is geen zonneschijn als hij weg is. 'Tis niet warm als hij weg is.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone.
Okay, let's start packing up. Guys, muito obrigado a todos para ver o seu concerto. Por ver nosso concerto. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Donate, like, subscribe, share.
Do you
Follow.
believe in love, not in love?
Bye bye.
Bye. I'm in a weird energy. Oh, bye, guys. Have a lovely week. Don't die. Don't get COVID.
Jeez.
Are we off?
We should be.
On.